A virtual reality (VR) headset is an apparatus that provides virtual reality data input for a user, and typically is strapped onto the user's head over the eyes. These innovative headsets are part of more comprehensive virtual reality systems that affect more of the human's five senses in order to create virtual experiences. A virtual reality headset is also known as a virtual reality visor. Virtual reality headsets typically have stereoscopic technology, which provides a separate image for each of the two eyes. Gyroscopes, accelerometers and other tools may monitor motion. Early virtual reality headsets were often made in the context of the gaming industry. Now, however, virtual reality innovations are being used for medical and military training as well as other purposes. Virtual reality is becoming more sophisticated, and headsets and other equipment are developing rapidly. Virtual reality headsets are increasingly becoming more common in consumer technologies. Although virtual reality has been around for years, the tethered hardware to experience it has traditionally been expensive, bulky and power-hungry. Today, mobile VR headsets, which are basically goggles that will hold a smartphone, have allowed VR apps to spread into the consumer market. The goal of each type of VR headset is to provide the viewer with an experience that is so real, the headset itself is forgotten. Before continue the video, I suggest you to check Meta Quest 2, Advanced All-in-One Virtual Reality Headset. There are so many games that you can find in the Quest store through the goggles. Others have talked about Steam VR. There is another on top of those. It's called SideQuest, where you can find so many more compatible games. For those search on YouTube for how to side-load games, this is such an awesome device for games. You can buy it from Amazon. I dropped the link in description. VR apps for both mobile and tethered apps incorporate technology such as gaze tracking, IR sensors, gyroscopes and accelerometers to move the user's point of view in a natural manner. Mobile apps often include stereo sound, while tethered apps may feature surround or even 3D sound. Development challenges for all VR apps and headsets include eliminating latency to reduce viewer disorientation, headache and nausea. Types of VR headsets. Oculus Rift, a computer-based system that reignited interest in virtual reality when the Oculus VR startup launched a successful Kickstarter campaign. Rift works with positioning technology that lets the user move physically through 3D space and has touch controllers. Microsoft's HoloLens, a standalone VR headset. The system features 3D spatialized sound, Wi-Fi, a Kinect-like camera with a 120-degree spatial sensing system, a fleet of gyroscopes and accelerometers and a transparent screen for each eye. The new HoloLens 2 goggles offer a greatly increased field of view, allowing many more holograms to be viewed and with an image resolution never achieved before. In addition, interaction with 3D elements occurs naturally and its voice commands and new ergonomic design allow you to wear them more comfortable for hours. HTC Vive plugs into a powerful gaming PC for its performance. Dual base stations allow users to move freely through a 15 feet by 15 feet area. The system was developed collaboratively with Portal, a video game software company. The brand's first virtual reality headset, simply called HTC Vive, was introduced as part of a collaboration with Valve Corporation, implementing its Steam VR hardware and software ecosystem. It was unveiled during HTC's Mobile World Congress keynote in March 2015. Development kits were sent out in August and September 2015, and the first consumer version of the device was released in April 2016. It has since been succeeded by newer models with upgraded specifications. HTC has also released accessories that integrate with the Vive and Steam VR, including sensors for motion capture and facial capture. PlayStation VR works with PlayStation 4 rather than a PC. The system duplicates the headset VR display on a TV. The PlayStation VR has a 5.7-inch OLED panel, with a display resolution of 1080p. The headset also has a processor box which enables the social screen video output to the television, as well as process the 3D audio effect, and uses a 3.5mm headphone jack. The headset also has 9 positional LEDs on its surface for the PlayStation camera to track 360-degree head movement. As of December 31, 2019, PlayStation VR had sold through 5 million units worldwide. Samsung Gear VR, a smartphone container that uses the phone's processing power. The system, which works with high-end Samsung Galaxy models, was developed in collaboration with Oculus VR and manufactured by Samsung. The headset was released on November 27, 2015. When in use, a compatible Samsung Galaxy device acts as the headset's display and processor, while the Gear VR unit itself acts as the controller, which contains the field of view, as well as a custom inertial measurement unit, or IMU, for rotational tracking, which connects to the smartphone via USB-C or micro USB. The Gear VR headset also includes a touchpad and back button on the side, as well as a proximity sensor to detect when the headset is on. Google Cardboard, a low-cost, smartphone container made of plain cardboard. There are a number of inexpensive headsets based on the original open-source model. Google Cardboard is a discontinued virtual reality (VR) platform developed by Google. Named for its fold-out cardboard viewer into which a smartphone is inserted, the platform was intended as a low-cost system to encourage interest and development in VR applications. Users can either build their own viewer from simple, low-cost components using specifications published by Google, or purchase a pre-manufactured one. To use the platform, users run cardboard-compatible mobile apps on their phone, place it into the back of the viewer, and view content through the lenses. Through March 2017, over 160 million cardboard-enabled app downloads were made. By November 2019, over 15 million viewer units had shipped. After the success of Cardboard, Google developed an enhanced VR platform, Daydream, which was launched in 2016. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Stay safe and we will be back soon with another video.